Hi everyone, this is Marty, and today I'm going to show you how to use WP Shopping Poster to post product reviews to your WordPress direct site using the member control panel. To do this, I'm going to go to our site here called Buy Cheap Camera, and I'm going to say Manage Content Software. Clicking on that will take us into the site settings and to our content software page. And you'll see that we have installed in our site a couple pieces of software. Actually, we don't have anything installed. I love it when I record a demo and look like an ass. Okay. Cut. And when I go to this site, you'll see that actually we do not have any software installed yet. So we have to install the software we're going to use. Now, in most cases, you're going to have either WordPress Answers or YouTube to WordPress installed as part of your setup. In this case, we're going to take the shopping poster and install it manually. Now, this is only available for Silver, Gold, and Platinum members. If you are a free member, then you do not have access to this piece of software. Click on Install Software underneath the shopping poster, and you will see a message that says that we install the software automatically for you. You need to set a new password for future access to the admin panel. I'm going to type in demo as my password, and I also have checked create default keywords. Now, if we had keywords installed when we set up the site, this will create keywords in the shopping poster set up to match the categories of our blog, so that we don't have to type them in again just because we installed a new piece of content software. I'll click Install Software, and this will set up the shopping poster on our site. All of this software is installed on your server, on your website, on your host, unless you're hosting with us, in which case it's on our host. Once it's complete, you'll see that it's now listed with a thick black box around it, and this means that it is the software that is installed on this site for content posting. We can click on View Keywords, and we'll see that our keywords were successfully put in here for the different types of cameras that we have on our Buy Cheap Camera site. Now, at this point, I can choose to post some content here. Or the other thing I could do is go into the control panel of the content software and start reviewing my content before I post it. I'm going to do that first and show you how to do supervised posting using the shopping poster. Now, once you access any of the software for content on your site, you have to type in the password that you set when you installed it, which in our case was demo. I'll click Login, and this will just bring me now to a screen that shows that I'm logged in because it's no longer asking me for the password. All of our software works like a wizard interface from left to right, so we need to go first after the home page to set keywords. And you will see that we have the keywords that were set up from when we first created the site already in our shopping poster. Now, all of these are set to fully automated, and I just want to show you how to use this as an editor for your site by setting it to supervised posting. To do that, you change the posting type and then click Save Changes. Once you do that, it'll tell you you have no remaining posts. When you're on supervised posting, instead of just searching and publishing whatever it finds, you actually create an inventory of things that will be published to your site over time, and you get to pick and choose what goes in that inventory. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Search and Add Posts, and this is the method by which we build our inventory. Now in that screen it's going to give us the search results, and you're going to see that we have a number of different camera lenses that Shopping Poster found by querying the Yahoo Shopping site. And you can go and take a look at each of these to see what's in there. So if I go to View Post, you can see that there's a description of this Tamron camera lens. And if I like all of these selections, I can just add them to my inventory. Once I have all of these, it'll do them 10 at a time. It's going to add them to my inventory list. I can look and find more content. The larger the inventory you build, the longer it will run without you having to go and add more things to it, so that your poster keeps functioning. So I'm going to say search for more posts. This will find the next set of results from Yahoo Shopping. Now when you combine this with article content on camera lenses and these sorts of articles as well, you're going to find that these now you'll see our next set of results coming back from the search, and I'm going to take these and also add these to the inventory list. Now the other thing I can do is I can go into the inventory list and just publish some of these right now. But rather I'm going to do the publishing back in WordPress Direct, where it's the simplest to do. So for instance, if I click on the next tab, Run Poster, you're going to see this interface that comes up is also available in WordPress Direct, and I like to show you to use the one inside the WordPress Direct site, because that way you don't have to constantly go to all the different pieces of software on all your different websites in order to get content posting to them. So in this case, I'm going to jump back here and we'll just refresh this page, and you'll see that now when I click on View Keywords, it's going to show me the exact status from the software on my site that shows that I have one keyword set to supervise posting, and also that it has built up an inventory. And since I did 2 sets of 10, it should have 20 articles in the inventory. And in fact, when I click on View Keywords, you'll see just that. So now I have, in this one, supervised posting, 20 articles remaining, everything else set to fully automated. So in this case now, I'm going to post some content to my site so that I have at least one article in each category. And you'll see that the shopping poster comes back and tells me the list of content it's published to the site. Now this, when we say post now, is immediate. It immediately posts it onto my site. And here are the articles that it posted. Let's go and take a look at the site. The way I can do that is the link up here is a link to my site. It's clickable. So I'm going to click that. It's going to open it up in a new window. And now you can see that on this site we now have our reviews. Now these images were pulled from Yahoo Shopping and placed with the articles on my site. So you can see this is one post per page. Now if I want to set the site up to constantly post new articles to my site, I can do what's called auto posting. So let me close the window that we opened up when we were posting our stuff now, and I'll click on Set Up Automated Posting. Now we do have options for posting frequently when you're first getting this site started, I suggest recommending daily or every 2 days to make your content last as long as possible, and usually doing 1 post per keyword. When we save these changes, you'll see it gives us a message saying we've saved the auto poster. And in fact, if we refresh this page, it'll then tell you the interval at which it's going to start posting and when the next post is going to occur. I'm not going to bother with it that now, but you can refresh that on your site when you're using the shopping poster to see what it looks like. That's it. It will now update our site every 2 days with 1 article in all of the categories, and that will keep our site fresh and active. So thanks for watching, and talk soon.